My name is Lauren Reese, and this is Student Org Spotlight. Today, we're going to be talking with the Vice President of Curly Connection to find out more about their involvement on campus. So, what organizations or activities are you involved in on campus?
So currently I am the Vice President of Curly Connection. Curly Connection was founded last year alongside with two other girls, two other my friends. And we started this mainly because we saw that this is a predominantly white institution, and I saw a need for students who look like me to feel comfortable wearing their natural hair on campus, and also just gaining that education about their natural hair. And it's not even catered to just black women. It's open to anyone, and we also do events for black men too.
So how would you say Curly Connection stands out on campus?
So we're such a small organization, but I think people really appreciate that we started something like this. I remember maybe a year or so ago, they had like a one-day like natural hair event. It was very effective, but I think we needed something more permanent. And then we were also trying to figure out a way to make it something more national, because we want to bring awareness to natural hair, and it's a movement right now. So we don't want any people, especially that look like us, to feel like they can't wear their natural hair because it's what we were given.
So how can students get involved, with Curly Connections? What are your, social media and everything?
If you follow our Instagram, which is BGSU __ Curly Connection, all lowercase letters, and there we just post events. We may reach out if we have like giveaways at almost every of our events. We want to try to give away some natural hair products. So we have some sponsorships with some companies right now. So we want to keep that going, and so that's how you can reach out to us.